Hello students, today we will see next problem on auxiliary view. So in this problem, the problem is given. In the problem you are given partial auxiliary front view, top view and incomplete front view. So you have to redraw this all the three views, that is partial front view, top view and you have to redraw the views and complete the front view. You have to complete front view. So first of all, you have to observe the given two views. You have given two views. One is partial auxiliary front view and another is top. So from this view, you have to complete the third incomplete view. Incomplete is front view. You have to complete front view with the help of two views. So first of all, you have to imagine how the object will be seen or what are the features of object. This object will contain two plates. One is horizontal base plate and another is vertical plate. So this is horizontal plate and this vertical plate is inclined at angle of 60 degree. So this vertical plate is inclined at an angle of 60 degree. So to get and true shape of this vertical surface, you have to draw a plane parallel to this surface. So you have to draw the plane at an angle of 60 degree. So this is auxiliary vertical plane, which is parallel to this inclined surface. So what is auxiliary vertical plane? So it is plane which is inclined to VP and perpendicular to HP. This is the plane which is inclined to VP and perpendicular to HP. Means in horizontal plane it will be appear as a line. So I have drawn a line in horizontal plane. So it is auxiliary vertical plane. So in this plane you will get auxiliary front view. So this is partial auxiliary front view is given. Means only this is front view of this vertical surface, not horizontal surface. Only partial auxiliary front view is given. And you have to complete the front view. So how to proceed? So first of all, to complete this front view, if you observe, this is plate which is semicircular. This semicircular part, and on this semicircular part, one hexagonal projection is there. This is hexagonal projection of 15 mm thickness. So you have to transfer all the points to top view and then to front view. So in order to complete the front view, first of all, we have to divide this semicircular curve into 4 equal parts. So I will divide this semicircle into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I will give the names to this part as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I have divided the semicircle into 4 equal parts and I have given the names 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now next step is transfer all these points to top view. You have to transfer all these points to top view. So these points will be transferred to top view. But at what position these points are? These points means this is vertical surface. So this vertical surface have two faces. This is lower face or front face and this is back face. So the observer is seeing from this side. This is observer direction. So when you see in this direction, then this front view will be drawn. So I have named this surface as front surface and this is as back surface. Means towards observer the surface which is first is front surface and this is back surface. So on front surface transfer these points. So draw the projectors from all the points. From point 1 I have drawn the projector. Similarly draw projector from point 2 3, I have drawn the projector. Draw projector from point 4, and from 5 I have drawn projector. So you have to draw the projectors from point 2 and 4. So draw the projectors. Draw the projectors from point 4. Similarly, draw the projector from point 2. We will draw the projector from point 2. So I have drawn the projector. So now locate the points. This is point 1 at this corner. 1. This will be 2. Then this point will be point 3. And this is point 4. And this is point 5. So I have located all the 5 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So now transfer the points from this top view to the front view. So you have to draw the projector from each point in front view. So this is incomplete front view is given. So you have to complete the front view. So for that purpose, draw the vertical projectors from all these points. So I have drawn the projector from point 1. Next is point number 2. So draw the projector from point number 2. This is the projector from point 2. Then next is point 3. This is the projector from point 3. Next 4. And this is projector of point 5. So extend all these projectors. To extend all these projectors. This is 1. This is 2. This is the projector of 3. Next 4. And last is projector of 5. I have projected on the projectors. Now, this point 5 will lie on its respective projector, but you don't know the exact location of the points. So for that purpose, you have to take the distances from previous front view and previous reference line. So this is previous reference line. So from this previous reference line, this LM, distance of LM, take the distance of LM from previous reference line, or the distance from base to axis LM is 40. So at distance of 40, the axis LM will lie. So locate the axis LM from base, it is at distance of 40. So from this base, the axis LM will lie at distance 40. So I will locate this axis LM. So I have located the axis LM in front view. So this will be axis LM. So now on LM, or by taking the help of LM, we will locate all the 5 points. So on axis LM, the point 1 and 5 will lie. So on this LM, this is point number 1. So this is point 1, and next is point 5. Next point 5 on projector of 5. the point 5 will lie. So at this point, this is point 5 will lie. Next, point 2 and 4. Point 2 and 4 at same distance from this 11. So take the distance of point 2 from axis 11. So this much distance you have to take and mark this distance on the projector 2. So this is distance, the projector of 2 is here. So at this distance, and this is projector of 4. So at this point, the point 2 will lie, and at this point, point 4 will lie. Next is point 3. To take the distance of point 3 from axis LM and mark this distance from LM. At this point, the point 3 will lie. Now I have marked all the points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you have to join all these points. So by joining the points 1 to 5, when you are seeing from this bottom, then this space or this entire 5 points 1 to 5 are visible. So you have to join all these points by dark line. So join these all 5 points with smooth curve. You will get this curve. So these are the points. So I will name this point here. Here this is point 4, and this is point 2, this is point 3. So I will mark all the 5 points. Now next you have to. So this is on front face. I have drawn the front face. Similarly, the back face. Back face, same curve is there. So same curve is there. So how to draw this? So you have to take only the distance. That is this much distance. That is projector 1 to 5. That is thickness is 15. So in this view, how much will be the thickness? So you have to transfer this point. So I have transferred this point 1. 1 will be at this point. So I have to take the projector from this edge at this edge, and now this will be the point at distance of 15 mm thickness. So take this much distance, and at this same distance all the points will lie. All the points will lie at same distance. So at this point, so back point is 1 dash. I can mark this 1 dash. So you have to only transfer 2 points. This is 2 points. So from this point you have to draw the projector. Draw the projector from back surface. This is front surface. I will draw. Similarly, I will draw for back surface. This is back face. For back face, draw the projector. I have drawn the projector from this point 2 and draw, or you have to mark the point. So on this projector, at this point, this is point 2, 1, 2. Same, projector of 3. And this point 3 will lie. Similarly, here 4 and 5. So join this. If you join, then up to this, the curve will be visible, and inside curve is invisible. So you have to join the curve. Join this curve. So up to this point, this is tangential, and inside curve is invisible. So draw the line. So in this way, I have drawn this vertical surface. Then next is hexagon. How to draw the hexagon? So mark the edges of hexagon as this is A, B, C, D, E, F. So I mark all the edges of hexagon. So transfer these points in F on front face of hexagon. So this is front face of hexagon. So you have to mark point on front face. This is AB. This is CF. And this is ED. So mark all the points on front face of hexagon. Same. Next step is you have to transfer or you have to draw the projectors from this point A, B, C, F, E, D. This you have to draw three vertical projectors. From this point one projector, from this point, and from this point. So from 3 points you have to draw the vertical projector. On that projector, the points will lie. So to locate these points A, B, C, D, E, F, you have to locate the symmetric axis L11. So from L11, I will transfer the distances of point A, B, C, D, E, F. So I have located the axis L11 and I have drawn all the projectors from this point A to F. So now you have to take the distance. So this point E, D, A, B, all these points are at same distance from this axis. Means you have to take only one distance. Means distance of any one point A, B, E, D from this axis LM, and you can mark all the 4 points. So take the distance of point A from axis LM on the projector of A. So this is projector of A. On this projector, the point A will lie. Then next, here the point A will lie on this projector. This is point A, and this is point B. Next is point E and D. The projector of E and D are these. This is the projector of E and D. This is the projector of E and D. So this is the projector of E and D. At this point E, at this point D will lie. So this is the point E, and this is point D. Now next is point F and C. F and C are at same distance. So take the distance of point F from LM. This is the projector of LM and ELC. Mark this point. EM. At this point, the point F will lie. At this point C will lie. Now you have to join this by dark line. It's the one. In this way, look. So when you are seeing from the bottom side, so this surface will be back side of this hexagon. So this will become dotted. Now this curve will become dotted because it is behind the hexagon. This will become dotted. Okay. So this hexagon will be visible because from when you see all the points will be visible. Now you have to give the thickness to this hexagon. So giving the thickness is very easy. You have to draw the projector from back face of this hexagon. So this is back face. From this back face, draw the projector. So you will get the thickness. This is how the thickness of hexagon. So add. So the thickness. So draw the parallel lines. Like that. So this is the point P. Draw the parallel lines. This is the end. And A point will be shifted. So this is dot level. This will be dot level. This will be dot level. So in this way, the hexagon will look like this is. So in this way, I have completed the incomplete front view. means I have divided this circle into 4 parts. I transfer all the points to top view, then I have located in front view, and then I have joined the curve. Similarly, for drawing the hexagon, I have marked all the edges of hexagon, then transfer all this point to the top view, draw the projectors from all the points, and take the distance from axis LM and mark all these points and join all these points. So in this way, you can complete the problem on auxiliary view. I have completed the front view. Thank you.